Sir, what is the High Court's order in the petitions challenging or requesting to scrap the Ponda by-election?
The High Court has quashed the notification as regards the elections to the Ponda by-elections. The ground on which the order has been passed is that the newly elected MLA will not get more than 1 year's time, or rather minimum 1 year's time. And that contention of the petitioner that at least 1 year's time is to be gotten by the newly elected candidate has been accepted by the court. Now the court has relied upon a division bench judgment of the Bombay High Court at Nagpur, where in similar situation the court had said that if there is less than 1 year's period insofar as the newly elected candidate is concerned, that in such a scenario under proviso A to section 151A of the Representation of People Act, no elections could be held. And in that case also the elections were cancelled by the High Court. Relying on the same judgment, which was binding on this division bench also, the court has said that under the Representation of People Act, the correct interpretation is that the newly elected candidate must get at least minimum 1 year's time or a tenure as the MLA.
Sir, after the pronouncement of judgment, ECI requested to stay the order, saying that 171 votes have been casted. What happened on that?
See, the request of the ECI was the preparation for holding the elections are all complete. Some people have casted votes by ballot, postal voting. Then they said that there is hardly any time left for the actual election. On that ground, they were saying that grant a stay of 15 days and allow the elections to continue. But the High Court has said that we have already declared that such an election and the notification of the election is not in accordance with law, and therefore we cannot continue the elections based on the declaration which we have already given, to the effect that these declarations cannot be held in terms of the Representation of People Act, and therefore they have refused the stay. So the natural corollary of this is that the tomorrow's elections have to be cancelled. That is the effect of this.